Now that we have our views nicely placed on our sheet, we're going to go back and revisit each one of these views and kind of tidy them up and annotate them and do a bit of cleanup. So we'll start with this guy over here, which is our top of foundation. So let's double click on our top of foundation. We're zoomed in here. We might as well start here. This is a kind of a constraining dimension. It isn't really a construction dimension. It's locked and told to keep that door near there. So what I'm going to do is to pick on this dimension, go down to my temporary hide and say hide the element, which leaves us with our blue line around here. And then I'm just simply going to say apply that to the view permanently. Okay, if I want to see that, I can hit my light bulb and see what's behind the curtain over here, what's being hidden. So I'm going to take this guy. This one's good. I can pull this guy out because this dimension can be used for construction. All I'm going to do is click on here and say edit witness line and zoom down into here. Now notice I have my thin lines on. Let's hit escape. Let's restart this. Let's just say I don't have my thin lines turned on. Okay, you're going to see this. So we do want to have our thin lines turned on to do this next one. And I'm going to purposely place the dimension in the wrong place. Watch. I'm going to take this guy. I'm going to say edit witness line. Gives me an extra point, and I'm going to use my tab button to pick that outside edge and then click out to finish and escape. Well, I've got 22 foot 0.5 adding up to 32 0.5, and I know that my dimension is 32 feet. So I zoom in over here and I realize that this dimension is dimensioning to that outside edge, and I want it to dimension to the edge of my plywood. So you can grab this grip, this middle one, and you can go and place this tab to other edges anywhere you want. So I'm going to hover over the edge I want and go tab, and you see that's it. Click and release. Ooh, still not on the right edge. Grab this guy, hover, okay, move over here, tab, there it is. Click, and you can see by looking at that. So now you'll notice that I have a nice 22 foot dimension plus my 10 feet. Okay, let's grab this guy and do a shift arrow key to nudge that guy up. Okay, click out, grab this dimension or this section bubble, pull this guy down a little bit inside of there. Again, just doing my tidy up, right? These guys over here are good. Let's click on this section line. Let's pull this guy in. This is the symbol. This is the crop region back in the view. You don't really want to change that. Okay, so that's not looking too bad. We've got our scale factor and everything. So for the time being, I mean, we can add some text. Let's add a little bit of text in here. Let's go to Annotate. Add some text. What size of text do we want? Well, we don't want it to be a 1/4 inch. We want to use the 3/32. And I'm just going to add some text in here. Notice I said no leader. And I'm going to say 4-inch slab on grade. And then I can wiggle around and zoom in on this. Click out. 4-inch slab on grade. Escape. Pick on here. Move this around. Okay, I can say add a left arc. Okay, add a right arc. Take this guy, move it around. And I can change those leader lines as I please. Okay, so we can add in whatever text we want on there. Okay, and that's it for our top of foundation plan.